Have you ever heard of such an advanced material that can withstand high temperatures, strong pressure resistance, corrosion resistance, and good dielectric properties, and can perform well in harsh environments? And it is used in many places you can't imagine. Today, we'll take you inside Cashem Advanced Materials High-Tech Co., Ltd., China's pioneer in manufacturing polymethacrylamide PMI foam. Let's discover how Cashem is shaping the future of aerospace, defense, transportation, and more. Founded in 2010, Cashem Advanced Materials High-Tech Co., Ltd. has become the first company in China to specialize in PMI foam. PMI foam, also known as polymethacrylamide foam, is a high-performance, closed-cell, rigid foam that offers outstanding properties: lightweight, strong, and highly resistant to heat and fire. It's no surprise that PMI foam is crucial in industries such as aerospace, defense, transportation, and healthcare. At Cashem, we focus on the industrialization and serialization study of PMI foam. We don't just produce foam, we control every step of the process, from raw material preparation to the final product application. Our in-depth knowledge and manufacturing experience make us leaders in the field. In 2013, Cashem passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, and OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety certification. We also obtained relevant military industry qualifications, making us a trusted partner in critical industries. Let's dive into our Cashem product line, PMI foam designed for various applications. Cashem WH, aerospace structural core material used in rocket fairings, aircraft elevators, and wing rafters. Cashem RS, similar to WH, but more suitable for liquid resin forming technology. Cashem HF, high frequency and wave-type foam, perfect for radar and antenna covers like phased array radar. Cashem IH, industrial-grade PMI foam with exceptional cost performance used in high-speed rail, medical bedboards, and sports equipment. Cashem FR, flame-retardant PMI foam that combines high performance with wave penetration capabilities used in radomes, aviation interiors, and ships. What makes Cashem the preferred choice? We're not just a supplier, we're a partner. From design to manufacturing, Cashem delivers tailor-made solutions that meet your industry's specific needs. With advanced technology, high-quality materials, and a commitment to innovation, we're leading the way in PMI foam production. At Cashem, we're committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with PMI foam. Whether it's for aerospace, transportation, or healthcare, Cashem has the expertise and technology to support your success. Want to explore how Cashem's innovative PMI foam solutions can elevate your industry? Visit our website for more information and get in touch with us today.